Have you ever thought of becoming an engineer, a scientist, or a well-known innovator?
Have you ever tried doing fascinating experiments?
How about scientific knowledge and contributing to the world of research?
How about solving difficult mathematical problems?
Well, if you're eager to learn those things, come and join us. We'll explore the world of science, technology, and engineering in Santa Ana National High School. Santa Ana National High School is one of the few secondary schools in Davao City that offers the highly specialized and competitive science, technology, and engineering or STE program.
That's why the school is giving its best to implement such program.
The program offers advanced learning competencies such as
Elective sciences and innovator science and microbiology.
Elective advanced like algebra and physics.
and the most important of them all, research.
Research is a core subject of the program. Its purpose is to provide students the knowledge about science processing skills.
It also exposes students to research proposals and work with research papers in order for them to be trained for their college experience.
This program is open for everyone. Have the courage to take on a rocky yet adventurous journey and pursuit of scientific knowledge.
Hello, future SANHS. Are you planning to join one of SANHS learning programs? Or are you still confused which one to choose? Santa Ana National High School offers different kinds of learning programs with different courses. One of which is the STE.
This program offers you more advanced subjects, specifically in the field of math and science.
Curious about things? We know more. Here at STE, research is the one who can help you answer your questions about anything. Research develops in the fields of math and science, providing you solid facts and precise statistics.
But wait, there's more. Speaking of math and science, this first summer example program provides you more advanced knowledge, keeping you to among others.
That's the life of an STE student. So why not join us? Let's explore and discover new things